Okay, I'll show you a few things I've picked up for the Chevelle for the build. I got my forged pistons, so they're 30 over seal power piston, Federal Mogul, and I went forged because might want to use nitrous on the car. Might get a little shot of nitrous. I'm going to gap the rings a little bit wider and use forged pistons. They're going to be about, I'll probably be getting close to 11 to 1 compression. They're 10.5 to 1 compression piston, factory style, using the factory head gasket and so on. We will be surfacing the heads. We'll be using a little thinner head gasket, and I'm surfacing the block right now. I'm having that done. So I'm taking 10th off the block just to clean it up and take it down a little bit lower. Then we'll use a thinner head gasket and see if we can't get the compression up to maybe close to 11 to 1. Rings. So I got Speed Pro rings. They're a Molly ring. So I got them for it. I've got ARP rod bolts. They're 3/8 because that's what the rods are, not 7/16. So I might do some work to the rods, grind the beams and so on, and see if we can't make them a little bit tougher, and then we'll put the ARP rod bolts in them. This stuff I haven't showed you guys yet. I don't think on the stuff on the tranny, but this is all transmission stuff. This one's all shift kit. You actually get a lot of parts in the shift kit. Got a new modulator for it. And then this was a rebuild kit, so it's got lots of stuff in the rebuild kit. Bands, bushings, and that. I got to get a few more things yet once I get it apart. I found a used console. The console's missing out of this car and stuff, so I did find a used console for it. And I picked up 2 Holley rebuild kits. One, I'm going to rebuild the carburetor that was on the car, which is 750 double pumper. So we're going to rebuild that one, which I'm going to be kind of showing you guys. And then I had a 750, 770 vacuum secondary Holley here. I'm going to clean it up and put a kit in it too. When we dyno the motor, we'll show you the differences and see which one dynoed better. I'm thinking the double pumper will dyno better, but I don't think it'll fuel mile better. So this one might be for after the event, and the double pumper might be for the event. We'll see. We'll see what the numbers are. But I just wanted to show you some of the stuff that I'm currently picking up. I just made a deal on a pair of new shocks for the back, so Comp Engineering drag shocks. So they got 3 adjustments in them. So I've got them coming, and yeah, a bunch of other little bits and pieces we'll show you guys along the way. But I just kind of wanted to show you this stuff, and so you could have a little bit of a look of what I got going on. And then we can start doing more machine work and stuff. But I'm going to polish the beams of the rods, and then we will have to weigh them all so that I can properly balance it all when we're done. Okay, well, I'm going to get started on the carbs, and we'll go have a look at that and be back.